Hello guys, this is Rider Rob, and today I've done some modification to my bike silencer, and this is how it looks. This is the DB killer, and I'll be removing it. And if I remove the DB killers, the sound is like too high, and the cops might stop me for this noise. So I've added the DB killer, which reduces the sound by more than 50% of the sound, and it sounds better than the stock exhaust. And yeah, I'll switch on the bike now. No, that's not my bike exhaust, that's Passion Pro. And yeah. So this is how it sounds. And I'll remove the DB killer now. I need to use this. I need to use this sprayer because it's too hot. It sounds nice, but the sound is too high. Let me keep it down, and I'll rev the bike for you. I know the sound is too high, and I will install the DB killer again. Actually, I did not put the screws, so the DB killers came out. I've drilled a hole here and I've put the screw because if I doesn't put the screw, the DB killer might come out, as you saw in the video. So I've put a screw here, so it will hold this DB killer strong, and it will make sure that the DB killer doesn't come out even I rev the bike or even I go in higher speed. So this is how it looks inside, and still I need to paint this, and maybe in the next video I'll show you how it looks after painting. Guys, this is a bike without the silencer, and the silencer is getting ready there.